The mysterious world of cats, their history and legends. Cats have always been shrouded in mystery throughout their evolutionary history. Thousands of years ago, when cats first interacted with humans, they became creatures that inspired both nature and culture. In ancient Egypt, cats were considered messengers of the gods. The goddess Bastet, a symbol of protection and motherhood, was associated with cats. Bastet represented the strong and independent spirit of cats, while also cementing their status as mystical and protective beings. Egyptians held cats in high regard, keeping them in their homes to control pests like rats and mice. From Egypt to Greece and Rome, cats continued to inspire mythology beyond Egypt, appearing in Greek and Roman legends. In Greek mythology, cats were symbols of hunting goddesses like Artemis, who admired their grace and hunting prowess. In Rome, cats were seen as symbols of protection and security, often kept in homes to guard families. Cats in the Middle Ages, fear and superstition. During the Middle Ages, cats, especially black cats, were associated with bad luck. They were believed to be companions of witches and messengers of supernatural beings, instilling fear in society. In many European cultures, black cats were considered cursed if seen near witches' homes. Their mysterious and independent nature only deepened this fear, leading to periods where cats were persecuted. Cats in China, symbols of luck. In Chinese culture, cats symbolize luck, prosperity, and happiness. The famous Maneki Neko figurine, a cat with a raised paw, is believed to bring good fortune and is often placed at the entrances of shops. Cats are thought to attract wealth and ward off evil spirits. The universal power of cats are revered not only in Western cultures, but also in Eastern traditions. In Japan, cats are associated with longevity, happiness, and wealth. Their mystical aura has made them more than just physical beings. They are believed to influence humans on a spiritual level. The deep connection between cats and humans spans thousands of years. Cats have remained enigmatic, captivating and protecting humans throughout history. Their mysterious nature has been fueled by a mix of admiration, mysticism, and reverence. Perhaps the question remains, what lies behind their mysterious behavior? Is it their independence, their evolutionary adaptation, or something beyond our understanding? Cats' social behavior and their bond with humans. While cats are historically known as independent animals, their world is far more social and complex than we often assume. Their relationship with humans is fascinating because their behavior is not solely instinctual, but also a reflection of their emotional and psychological needs. Attachment and ownership behavior. Cats form bonds with their owners, viewing them as a source of safety and nourishment. This bond is different from that of dogs, as cats maintain their independence while still relying on humans for comfort and care. Independence and boundaries. Cats are selective in their social interactions. They seek closeness but also respect personal space, often retreating to be alone when they need it. This balance between independence and connection is key to understanding their behavior. Communication. Through body language and sounds. Cats communicate through purring, meowing, and body language. Purring often signifies contentment, while meowing is a way to get their owner's attention. Tail movements, ear positions, and eye contact also convey their emotions. The depth of the human-cat bond. The bond between cats and humans is mutually beneficial. Humans find comfort in their presence, while cats rely on humans for security and care. Cats are emotionally intelligent, often sensing their owner's mood and responding accordingly. Cats' hunting abilities, a natural instinct. Cats are natural hunters, equipped with sharp claws, agility, and keen senses. Even domesticated cats retain these instincts, often seen during play. Hunting instincts in the wild and at-home cats are carnivores by nature, and their hunting behavior is a survival strategy. Domestic cats may not hunt for food, but they mimic these behaviors during play. Stealth and speed cats are silent and precise hunters, using stealth to approach their prey before pouncing. This behavior is often replicated when they play with toys. Claws and other hunting tools. Cats' retractable claws and sharp senses make them effective hunters. Their eyes are particularly adapted for low-light conditions, aiding their nocturnal hunting. Play as a form of hunting playtime for cats is an extension of their hunting instincts. Chasing toys or pouncing on objects helps them sharpen their skills and stay mentally stimulated.